Hi. Another most important component of on-page SEO is to make sure that your content shows your experience and expertise. Google algorithm update verifies EAT policy. EAT means experience, expertise, authority, and trust. Let me explain this. Experience means that whatever you are sharing, do you have experience in that specific category? Do you know that people are facing some problems in that specific field? Then expertise, let's say if you are solving some problems, do you have relevant experience in that? If not, how can you fulfill that content and how to make that helpful? Then authority, do you have authority to share that content? Let's say you are a doctor and you share something about cancer. That means that you have authority to share about it, but you cannot share about cancer if you are a teacher or some else. So you have to make sure that you do have authority. And then trust, do people trust on you? Are you trustworthy? This is most important. Then you have to use your career as an example. Let's say you are sharing something about medical stuff. So if you're a doctor, people will definitely believe in you, and your chances of getting viral or ranking higher in Google are very high. Then you use your work as an example. For example, you survey 12,000 people and tell people that I surveyed 12,000 people and I came to conclusion. So people will believe in you. So showcasing your work is very important, very trustworthy, and very helpful to rank higher in Google. Follow for more videos.